In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Engulfing Bearish quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through a very simple process to add the Engulfing Bearish indicator to your Tradingview chart, so you can quickly spot bearish reversal signals without having to mark them manually. Even if you're new to Tradingview, just follow along step by step and you'll have it set up in less than a minute. First, make sure you're on a chart in Tradingview. It can be any market or time frame you like. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar with different options. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of Tradingview's built-in tools and community scripts live. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators window. You should see a search bar at the top and a list of categories and scripts underneath. Next, we're going to search specifically for the pattern we want. In the search bar inside the Indicators window, start typing the word Engulfing. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the results and show you anything that matches that term. Give it a second if your internet is a bit slow, and make sure you spelled it correctly so the right options appear. Once the results load, look through the list and find the one labeled Engulfing Bearish. This is the indicator that highlights bearish engulfing candlestick patterns on your chart. When you see it in the list, simply click on Engulfing Bearish once. Tradingview will add it to your current chart automatically. You should now see visual markers or highlights appearing wherever the indicator detects a bearish engulfing pattern. If nothing shows up immediately, try zooming out or scrolling back in time to see past signals. From here, you can customize it if you want by hovering over the indicator name at the top of your chart and opening the settings, but that's optional. The main thing is that the Engulfing Bearish indicator is now active and ready to help you spot potential bearish reversals more easily. If you plan on using Tradingview regularly and want more features like multiple charts, more indicators on one layout, and additional alerts, check out the Tradingview Pro link in the description. Using that affiliate link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps me keep making quick, straightforward tutorials like this one. That's all you need to do to add the Engulfing Bearish indicator in Tradingview. Follow these steps whenever you set up a new chart and you'll be ready to analyze bearish engulfing patterns in just a few clicks.